everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'll show you how to create account on MeetMe app. So let's get started. First, open your MeetMe application. Now to create a new account, type in your name. Type in your email address. And then create your password. Now select your birthday. Once you're done, tap on OK. And then select your gender. Add in your location. Once you're done, tap in sign up free or you can sign in with Facebook. Add photo if you want to. And this is how you can create account on MeetMe app. Thanks for watching Technology Glance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.